fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Okay, I hope this will work. I'm just testing this out. I'm on my laptop this stream instead of my PC, which by the way my laptop's a MacBook, which is why the stream was absolutely shitting itself the first few minutes. So yeah. So I finally got it working. Um I'm gonna try to I would wish I could use more like music in the background, but my laptop is actively just dying. So yeah, that's gonna be it basically for now. I'm gonna be on my PC for Sunday probably, so Sunday I might stream a little bit. So I hope that'll be better. But yeah, so let's get right into the stream. I'm making a new website to replace my old design right now, so that's what we're gonna be doing this stream. So yeah, I hope you guys can enjoy it without the music in the background because again, my laptop is dying with the music. I'm actually just gonna try to open Spotify. Actually, you know what? It's gonna crash my laptop. I already know it. It's a MacBook, okay? Come on, you can't expect it to do everything a normal laptop can do. And also, it's an Intel Mac, which is why it's even worse. So the theme for this site will be a violet. Just because our old theme on our main website was blue. I'm gonna try to make it violet this time, and for charts, it's also gonna be violet. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty cool site. It's gonna be a multi-purpose util, and we're gonna have some back end into it. It's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, I will chat with viewers, so if there's anybody that joins right as I'm saying this, go ahead and type something and I'll respond. It might be a little bit delayed though, because my laptop has some delay. And also I'm in the mountains and my Wi-Fi sucks up here, so yeah. Alright, gonna empty the trash. What do I even have in the trash right now? See if I have anything in the trash. Okay, yeah, should be good. So yeah, I'm going to open up terminal. We're just gonna make a basic Next.js product or project. Let me actually just test the sound quality real quick. Not quite sure if it's working or not for the keyboard sounds. I wanted it to work just because of like the vibe kind of, but not quite sure if it will. Not gonna lie. Intros, start, minimize, quit. Yeah, I don't know, but Sadly, the stream's not gonna have much because again, laptop bad, so stream will be also kind of bad. I'm also running this cool little filter where it can follow my mouse. Yeah, so let's finish up this real quick. We're gonna make a new project. I was planning to stream every day at like 1, but yeah, sadly it's not gonna really work like that. Because I was driving up to the mountains today and took a little bit and I wasn't here at 1. Actually, I think I was. Oh, I should have streamed earlier. Oh well. Alright, sorry, I was just posting on it so I could get some people to join. We are setting up the project and I will have to find some other stuff real quick. Oh wait, what icons am I using? Okay, you know what? I have to edit these settings, it's not gonna work. Oh, is it lightning out now? Ah, I didn't even notice. I don't know if you can hear that, there's just lightning in the background. Or thunder. Wait. Oh, I was in the base directory. That's gonna be so bad, bro. Oh, come on. Okay, you know what? Delete that real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I love Shed CN, bro. So fire. Okay, and then let's switch that to Lucide. Git code. Kind of hoping you can't hear my keyboard too much right now. Alright, if anybody's in here, because I see one person, sadly there's gonna be no music because my laptop's a MacBook and it was actually dying the first few minutes of the stream that I couldn't get it to work. There we go. Alright, now we're gonna actually code something. And they left. Alright, well, that is all good. I am making something. I'm making a new page for old site. Gonna because our old site might have been vibe coded, which means AI generated for people who don't know. So yeah, let's go ahead and make some of this. Yeah. I actually need a new auth flow. So yeah, let's get a new login. Do login, register, dashboard. Oh yeah, and then for the dashboard, I'm gonna do account, DNS. Actually, yeah, hold on. I'm gonna actually build out the dashboard first before actually changing any of this. So yeah, go ahead and add. What are we gonna add? Let's figure it out. I'll figure it out. So for the auth, we're gonna do some new pages. Let me just go off our old site real quick, just to figure out what I really want. That's if it'll load, because my website's or my Wi-Fi is absolute ass. Sorry for cursing, but yeah. There we go. And then I'm just gonna copy the pages, but obviously gonna remake them. So I need the about tabs. We're gonna have to get some new tabs. Oh my gosh, I just had a lag spike. Team. Yeah, I'm just remaking this whole thing. I already have that. Careers. Obviously, we're gonna have some careers. Hello, I see 3 people, and one of them is probably me, so hello to the other 2. Okay, now there's just one other person. Well, hello still. I am going to do some more coding once I get the structure set out first. I'm just going off our old site first. Okay, now it's just me talking to myself. How amazing. That doesn't exist. Because all this is vibe coded. I don't exactly know why I was vibe coding it before. FAQ, insights. You know what? We're just gonna remake the whole thing. Who cares? I'm not gonna copy off anything anymore. So let's do that instead. That should be pretty good. We're gonna go to find some components for Shadcn. Actually see if I can get that to stop following it when I don't need it real quick. I think it's still following it, so I'm trying to get it to not follow my cursor when I don't need it to. Is it that? Hopefully, please. I just don't want it to follow my cursor when I don't want it to. I'm looking at my stream too, just to make sure. Yeah, it's still following my cursor. Dang it. Okay, you know what? Let's go to Tools, Zoominator, F9, and what is it? Left mouse button. Guess that one makes sense. Advanced. I'm just trying to figure out how to turn off this mouse zoom right now, because I don't always need it. Target, press to zoom, release to restore. Make sure this looks good real quick if I do that. But yeah. So we're going to find the components for this. We're going to add some components. Going to be pretty cool. So obviously we need the recording because actually what I'm making is an online shop right now. We're going to be doing some VPS hosting and we're going to use an API from another service because I don't actually have servers around. So yeah. So let's get right into it. We're going to do npx shadcn at latest UI. Add, or not latest, add. Okay, let's add some components. So we need the accordion. What am I doing, bro? Why did I open that up? I don't need that. What I do need is that, and then back. Then we're gonna get the alert and the alert dialog. Why did I just now have to go to the bathroom? Hold on, I will be right back after I just fix this real quick. Have to hold my bladder. Alright, and there we go, and now I'm going to be right back.